Here's what I eat on a strict 1 meal a day carnivore diet, and it only costs about £5 a day. I'm starting with 500 grams of 20% fat beef mince from Asda. High fat, high flavor, and super budget friendly. Once it's mostly browned up, I crack in 4 eggs straight on top. Then I sprinkle in some sea salt, and yes, I may have added way too much. Recording with one hand is a very difficult endeavor. I mix everything together, so the eggs scramble into the beef. Ultra simple and ultra filling. It takes around 10 minutes total, and boom, you're done. Then I drop in 50 grams of butter for some extra fat and calories. And here for the final result. This whole bowl plus some sparkling water. 0 carbs, full energy. So here's the macro breakdown. 1800 calories, 140 grams of protein, 139 grams of fat, clean and on point. Strict carnivore. But if you want to go for a more keto approach, throw in jalapenos, avocados, olives, tomatoes, either way, works out great.